everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you an easy way to make your icons larger on your iPhone. So all you have to do is go to the open space and hold down on it. You can see everything is wobbly now. Go to edit in the top right and just select edit. And if you have the iPhone SE version, for some reason it's very difficult to hit edit. And then when this pops up, go to customize. And then we can go to this little icon right here. And you can see it's going to make your widgets a little bit larger. So it's not too large, but it does make a difference. And then you can change the background too if you like it a little bit darker or lighter. If for some reason your icons get changed, you can go back to default right here and they'll actually have color. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.